In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove PIN from Samsung Wallet. First, let's open Samsung Wallet on your device. You will see the application icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. It typically looks like a wallet symbol, often colored in shades of blue or black. Tapping this icon opens the wallet interface, where you can access your payment cards, loyalty cards, and other personal information. This initial step is crucial because it sets the stage for all the actions that follow. Ensuring that you have the app open correctly is the first step towards managing your PIN settings effectively. Once you have Samsung Wallet open, look for the menu icon. It is represented by three horizontal lines, often located at the top left or top right corner of the screen. Tapping this menu icon reveals a list of options available within the app. This step is important because it provides access to various settings and features within Samsung Wallet. You can navigate the app more easily and find the settings you need. Next, tap on Settings from the menu options. The Settings section is where you can manage your account preferences, security features, and personal information. You will see several options related to your wallet's configuration. Accessing this section is essential for making changes to your PIN, as it houses the security and verification settings. Now look for the option labeled Verification Method and tap on it. This is where you will find the methods used to secure your wallet, including PIN, fingerprint, and face recognition. Understanding the verification methods is crucial for maintaining the security of your wallet. It ensures that only you can access sensitive information like payment cards and personal data. From there, tap on Change PIN. This option allows you to modify your current PIN to something new. It is important to keep your PIN updated to enhance security. Having a strong, unique PIN can help protect your financial information from unauthorized access. After tapping Change PIN, you will be prompted to enter your current PIN. Enter your current PIN carefully. This step is vital because it verifies your identity and confirms that you are the account holder. If you enter the wrong PIN, the system will not allow you to proceed. This security measure helps keep your wallet secure. Once you have entered the current PIN correctly, you can move on to setting a new one. Now enter your new PIN. Choose a combination that is memorable yet hard for others to guess. This step is significant because a strong PIN enhances your account's protection. Aim for a mix of numbers that you can remember easily. After entering the new PIN, confirm it by typing it in again to ensure accuracy. Once both the new PINs match, tap on the confirmation button. You should see a message indicating that your PIN has been changed successfully. This message reassures you that the new settings are now in place. Remember, while you cannot remove the PIN completely from Samsung Wallet, changing it regularly is a good practice for maintaining security. With those steps complete, you have successfully changed your Samsung Wallet PIN. This process is essential for keeping your payment information secure. Thank you for following along and feel confident that you can manage your PIN effectively going forward.